Hello friends, this is Pulkit. This video is for seismic design on tall building using ETABS software. Seismic loading means application of an earthquake generated agitation to a structure. It happens at contact surfaces of a structure either with the ground or with adjacent structures, or with gravity wave from tsunami. Seismic loading depends primarily on anticipated earthquakes at the site, geotechnical parameters of the site, structures parameters, and characteristics of an anticipated gravity waves from tsunami. Now open the previous model of the tall building design which was designed in previous video. You can open from recent models or go to open existing model, project 2 and open. This is the previous building which was designed. Now to define the seismic load, first of all unlock the model and go to the define menu, load pattern, type seismic load, type seismic, and in auto lateral load select IS 1893-2002 which is IS code of seismic load and click to add new load. Go to modify lateral load. For this problem, we will consider the seismic wave acting in both x and y direction. So select the both x and y direction. You can also give eccentricity value for x and y direction when you design a building for a specific location. Here we are selecting only x and y direction. Seismic coefficients, seismic zone factor Z. Open IS 1893 and in 5th page you will get seismic zone map. This map shows different seismic zone in the different parts of India. We will design a building in Bangalore, India. You can choose the zone based of the geographic location of building that you are designing. You can see that Bangalore falls in blue color zone, which means it is zone 2. Or you can scroll to page number 35 for zone factor. Here Bangalore is in zone 2 and respective zone factor Z value is 0.1. So select seismic zone factor as per code 0.1. For site type, again open IS code and figure 2 shows what a site type means. Here site type 1 is for rock or hard soil, site type 2 is for medium soil, and site type 3 is for soft soil. Assuming the construction area has medium soil, select the site type as 2. Now for importance factor, refer to table 6 in the IS code. The importance factor 1.5 is for public building and for other building it is 1.0, like residential building. Consider the building is for residential purpose. Select the importance factor as 1. Choose the program calculated option under time period. In the time period, will be automatically calculated depending on the dimension of the building. For response reduction factor, scroll down to IS code table number 7. You may notice your table falls on the first category, that is ordinary reinforced concrete moment resisting frame. The response reduction factor for ordinary RC moment resisting frame is 3. In this, you can see the other categories and choose the category that will be most act on your building design. 3. And click on OK. Now the properties of seismic load has been set and defined. Click on OK. We will now set the load combination by including the seismic load we had just defined. Go to Define, Load Combinations. Here, different load combinations include dead, live, and seismic load are already added. In case it is not added, click on Add Default Design Combo and select Concrete Frame Design option and click on OK. Here already different load combination is assigned. Click on OK. In the case of seismic load, you need not select any building element to assign load. After defining the seismic load, the next step is to perform the structural analysis on your building model. So go to Analyze option and run Analyze. The progress can be seen at the bottom left corner. Now Analyze result will be displayed as shown. You can place your cursor over the point on the slab in the 3D view tab to see the displacement values as shown. You can also check all the available analysis results like shear force, moment, slab stresses. Here select moment 3 apply. Shear 3 OK. Now for slab stresses, apply. OK. Now go to the design menu, select concrete frame design, view revise preferences. Here select design code IS 456-2000. OK. Again go to design, concrete frame, design group. OK. Now start design check. Wait for some time as software run design on your building model. We will now check the structural failure status of various elements in the building model. For that, go to design, concrete frame design, verify all member passed. A notification appears that all members passed the design check. In case of any failure, increase the cross-section dimension of frame member such as beams and columns to redesign the building. Click OK. ETABS software also provides the complete project report on your building model. You can find all the information of the building model which is properly mentioned in the project report. You can find all the information of the building model which is properly mentioned in the project report. So click on the Reports tab from the Model Explorer. Double click on the Summary Report option to view the report. The summary report gives a bridge report on your full project. The information like load pattern, section dimensions, analyze results, etc. of all the building elements are mentioned for your reference. Since we are using evaluation version, we cannot print the project report. Now we have successfully completed the seismic analysis of our building. Thanks for watching.